Welcome day 4 of our Snowdon trip, and yeah, yesterday was fantastic, Fairy Glen, and did the Bale of Festington. So today we're going to go into the town. We're going to get some breakfast in town today because we've had breakfast in the cottage every single day, but today we are going to go into the town and have breakfast and plan what we're going to do tomorrow, because tomorrow we leave. We'll be out by 10 o'clock I think it is. So that's not going to be fun, but we're going to be out by 10, and then we're going to spend the whole day still doing stuff and still shooting, so it's going to be all fun and games. But for now, today we're doing Swallow Falls, which I can't 100% confirm for you until we sat around breakfast and we've discussed what we're doing. Day 4, Swallow Falls today. I know we're going to do Conway Falls tomorrow. I'm not sure how long this lasts. My mum said it was 9 miles. Ed's going to be like, what? Yeah, I think we're going to venture down here on the right and just see what we find. Okay, we've gone the wrong way. So now we're going back to Betty's Carriage Station. Right, okay, now we've parked at an actual place where we're supposed to park. Okay, so after going to the end where the actual falls were, this time coming to Betty's Coed, come up some stairs. It's quite like you wouldn't notice it unless you had the guide that we had. And now we're in this beautiful forest, going uphill, and we'll see what rewards we will get at the end. Oh.
Are you sure, guys?
They just say keep climbing till
you see a broken wall.
to the broken wall.
Basically.
Yeah.
We're better off going that way though. Right. Okay.
Yeah, I think the path's here.
It's here, Ed, I think. If you come back down round where I am.
Right, let me get my camera back out.
Can you see me?
Goodness me.
Ed, can you see me?
Hang on. Just patience.
Can you see me?
I can hear you.
I can see you.
Hang on, I'm getting.
I can see you.
Oh, you motherfucker.
Come round to where I am. Be careful. So there's the wall, everybody. We found the wall following this guide. And thanks to Mum for finding the wall.
On which the path becomes well graded and virtually flat.
Oh. Right, here's the wall.
I don't think these trees would have been down.
I mean, a lot of forest has come down here.
You're right.
Yeah, I'm sound, yeah.
Just watch this bit.
Yeah.
Right, just after.
I feel like Rambo.
I feel like Luke Skywalker is looking for
I feel like
Yoda.
Rambo. Oh, first blood.
Right, so obviously watch your head as you come under it.
Right, I'm going to have to put the camera away for this minute.
Are you sure this is the way?
I think these trees wouldn't have been down when this book was open.
Yeah, because they've fallen from up there.
Damn, this is all moss.
We're going to have to just keep going up till we get to the top.
Keep going.
I like pull me up and like down that way.
All the way. You know what would be good here? Chest mounted GoPro. Yes.
Where are you going? Are you able to actually get up there?
What's up there, Ed?
Can you keep going?
I'll have a look.
Yeah, we don't want to be. If there's a clearing, we'll go where the clearing is. If not,
The terrain gets harder.
Right, well that was quite the trial from down there, because I'm not sure what the guide said in the book that we was following, but we couldn't find the path that we was looking for at all, so we've literally scrambled through this like collapsed forest, which has not been fun because we've all been stung to pieces, but the view is absolutely spectacular, so no risk, no reward.